Hello, cocktail enthusiasts. Ever been intrigued by the zesty allure of a classic margarita? Whether you're hosting a party or just in the mood for a refreshing drink, today we'll be guiding you through the simple steps of crafting the perfect margarita. Let's shake things up. To start, you'll need the following ingredients: tequila, preferably silver or blanco, freshly squeezed lime juice. Trust us, fresh is best. Triple sec or Cointreau, simple syrup or agave nectar, optional for those who prefer it sweeter, ice cubes, salt, and a lime wedge for garnish. First, take your cocktail shaker and fill it about halfway with ice cubes. Pour in 2 ounces of tequila. Next, add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then 1 ounce of triple sec or Cointreau. This gives your margarita that classic orange kick. If you like your margarita on the sweeter side, add a splash of simple syrup or a dash of agave nectar. Shake, shake, shake. Now, securely cap your shaker and give it a good shake. You're looking for a blend that's well mixed and chilled, which should take about 15 to 20 seconds of shaking. Grab your margarita glass and take a lime wedge, running it along the rim to moisten it. Next, turn the glass upside down and dip it into a plate of salt. This gives you the iconic salted rim, adding a contrast to the drink's zestiness. Strain the contents of your shaker into the prepared glass. For a final touch, garnish with a lime wedge. And there you have it, a classic margarita, ready to be sipped and enjoyed. Perfect for warm days, parties, or when you just want to treat yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial and are sipping your homemade margarita right now, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Adam Inca.